goes. I just plugged the plug right there. All right, guys, if you look here, this is an installation area. This is a horizontal furnace. So steam gets produced, it drops down, and you got these little plugs right here. The bottom plug was not being used. We had this one covered. That's where the water came out. And instead, we're using this one, which is set up for vertical. So if it was vertical, this would be the bottom plug. So what we gotta do is we gotta switch this one to that one. You go like that, and you put that there. That way it can go out and then remove correctly. There we go. Gotta love it.